6, 7। क्लियर है सर?
इट्स क्लियर,
सर क्लियर है?
हाँ अभी क्लियर आ रहा है उनको, क्लियर।
अभी क्लियर है?
यस यू आर क्लियर।
1 2 आप सर रिटर्न भी नहीं आ रही, वापस नहीं आ रही है।
आवाज आ रही है आपको?
डन है सर, आपकी बिल्कुल क्लियर है सर, मेरी भी क्लियर है।
आपकी भी क्लियर है?
अभी डन है सर एकदम?
यस
सर बिल्कुल डन है सर, यहीं पर एकदम फ्रीज कर दीजिए।
हेलो, may I have your kind attention please? Greetings for the day, ladies and gentlemen. उपस्थित देवियों और सज्जनों को मेरा सादर नमस्कार। Requesting all of you to please settle down, please occupy your seats. We are all set to begin with the program. हम कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत के लिए, कार्यक्रम के शुभारंभ के लिए पूरी तरह से तैयार हैं। देवियों सज्जनों से अनुरोध कि कृपया अपने अपने आसन पर विराजमान हो जाएं। पर हमारे बीच में सम्मानित अतिथि के रूप में उपस्थित हैं मिस दीप्ति गौर मुखर्जी, चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर ऑफ नेशनल हेल्थ अथॉरिटी, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। वी एक्सटेंड ए हार्टी वेलकम टू यू मैम। एंड द चीफ गेस्ट ऑफ टुडेज फंक्शन, सेक्रेटरी DFS Dr. Vivek Joshi ji is connected to us through online mode, and we have among us the chairman and managing director of the New India Assurance Company Limited herself. Yes, we are talking about Madam Girija Subramanian ji. साथियों, आपको पता है, आप जानते हैं कि हमारी भारतीय सांस्कृतिक परंपरा किसी भी कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत से पहले हमें अपने संस्कार सिखाती है। और जैसा कि आपको सूचित किया गया कि आज हम सब यहां पर न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड के 106 फाउंडेशन डे के समारोह में उपस्थित हुए हैं, तो आप ये अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि द जर्नी ऑफ 105 इयर्स हैज बीन अ वंडरफुल वन, रिमार्केबल वन। 1919 में द न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस कंपनी ने अपनी शुरुआत करते हुए आज 2024 तक आते आते अपना एक अलग मुकाम, अपना एक अलग दर्जा हासिल कर लिया है। जी हां, न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस कंपनी हमारे देश की सबसे बड़ी जनरल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी के रूप में उभरी है, और ये क्रेडिट जाता है, इसका श्रेय जाता है आप सभी गणमान्य जनों को जो द न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड के सदस्यगण हैं। आप सभी का अभिनंदन करते हुए बहुत गर्व के साथ हम इस कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत कर रहे हैं और समारोह का आयोजन आपके बीच रखने जा रहे हैं, जैसा कि आपको सूचित किया, जो है द 106th फाउंडेशन डे ऑफ आवर कंपनी। जी हां साथियों, आप जानते हैं 23 जुलाई एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण दिवस को 1919 में इस कंपनी ने अपनी शुरुआत की। 23 जुलाई वो दिन है जब इस देश को एक ऐसा नागरिक मिला जो अपने आप में एक मिसाल है, इस दिन के महत्व को बढ़ाता है। जी हां, बाल गंगाधर तिलक जी का जन्म भी 23 जुलाई को हुआ और हमारी कंपनी द न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड, इसका भी जन्म 23 जुलाई को हुआ। लेकिन आज एक और महत्वपूर्ण दिन यानी कि 26 जुलाई को हम इस समारोह का आयोजन कर रहे हैं। फिर एक महत्वपूर्ण दिन, क्योंकि आज हमारा देश कारगिल विजय दिवस भी मना रहा है। तो जी हां, ये तालियां आपके इस देश की सबसे बड़ी कंपनी के नाम, एक बार जोरदार तालियों से हम फिर से शुरुआत करते हैं। और ताजमहल पैलेस के इस प्रांगण में, इस परिसर में उपस्थित समस्त देवियों सज्जनों का मैं एक बार फिर से खैर मकदम और स्वागत करता हूं। जैसा कि मैंने आपसे कहा कि हमारी सांस्कृतिक परंपरा हमें सिखाती है कि किसी भी कार्य की शुरुआत से पूर्व हम दीप प्रज्वलन करके, वंदना करके, स्तुति करके, ईश्वर के आशीर्वचन के साथ कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करते हैं। तो आज भी सकारात्मक ऊर्जा के संचार के लिए, टू स्प्रेड द पॉजिटिव एनर्जी, वी वुड बिगिन आवर प्रोग्राम विद लाइटिंग ऑफ लैंप। And to do the honors, I would request the guest of honor, Madam Dipti Gaur Mukherjee ji and Madam Girija Subramanian ji, to please come ahead. And we have among us, ladies and gentlemen, the Independent Director, Miss Akini Devi ji. We would request you, Madam, to please join us. The Independent Director, Mr. R.K. Das ji, is requested to please join. Our Executive Director, Mr. Titus, we request you, sir, to please join for the lighting of lamp ceremony. Our ex-CMD, Mr. Kanwar ji, requesting you to please join, sir. The CMD of GIC, Mr. Ramaswamy ji, we request your gracious presence, sir. And the CMD of UIC, Mr. Bhupesh Rahul ji. And inviting Executive Director, Madam Smita Srivastav ji, to please join. भारतीय सांस्कृतिक परंपरा का निर्वहन करते हुए दीप प्रज्वलन की यह सुंदर प्रथा परंपरा का हम निर्वहन करेंगे साथियों, इस उम्मीद के साथ, इस आशा के साथ। मैडम स्मिता टू ज्वाइन प्लीज। द पॉजिटिविटी ऑफ द लाइट ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम दिस रूम एंड बी स्प्रेड अक्रॉस द ग्लोब। आशा का प्रतीक ये प्रकाश इस सभागृह से उठ करके पूरी दुनिया में, पूरे विश्व में सकारात्मक ऊर्जा का संचार करे। इस आशा से, इस प्रार्थना से दीप प्रज्वलन का requesting Mr. Jagannath ji to please join, the Managing Director of LIC. Mr. Jagannath ji is also there among us, requesting his gracious presence. And as said, the positivity of this light originating from this room, and all of us wish that this light be spread across the globe. पूरे विश्व में सकारात्मक और शांति का प्रतीक ये प्रकाश यहां से उदय होकर के फैल जाए। जी हां साथियों, इस पावन और शुभ अवसर के बाद गणमान्य जनों से अनुरोध कि वे कृपया दर्शक दीर्घा में अपना आसन ग्रहण करें। रिक्वेस्टिंग ऑल द डिग्निटरीज टू प्लीज ऑक्यूपाई देयर सीट्स। थैंक यू लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। और हमने अपनी पारंपरिक परंपरा का, संस्कृति का निर्वहन किया साथियों। अब जिस खास मकसद के लिए, जिस परम उद्देश्य के लिए आप और हम यहां उपस्थित हैं, आइए उस यात्रा का, उस सफरनामे का हम एक छोटा सा हवाला देखते हैं। जी हां, द न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड की वो यात्रा जो सन 1919 में सर दोराब जी टाटा के माध्यम से शुरू होती है और आज 2024 में आते आते 105 वर्षों की बेमिसाल यात्रा के बाद हम 106 यानी कि 106 फाउंडेशन डे की दहलीज पर खड़े होते हैं। और इस यात्रा को देखने के लिए, इस जर्नी को देखने के लिए वी हैव फॉर यू अ स्मॉल AV प्रेजेंटेशन, रिक्वेस्टिंग द ऑडियो विजुअल टीम टू बी रेडी विद द AV।
India, a land where dreams soar high, ambition knows no bounds, and resilience defines our journey. For over a century, New India Assurance has been honored to walk beside our esteemed nation. This year, we commemorate a monumental milestone of 100+ years of unwavering dedication. Established in 1919 by the visionary leader, Sir Dorabji Tata, we have grown from humble beginnings to become India's largest general insurance company, a true Indian multinational devoted to serve our great nation. Innovation and dedication have always been our guiding principle. We consistently set new standards. As the first public sector insurance company to achieve the ISO 27001:2013 certificate, our team of over 11,940 dedicated professionals is the lifeblood of our success. We are proud to champion gender diversity with countless women leading our progress at every level of our organization. Our reach extends across 25 countries, safeguarding the dreams and aspirations of millions. We've stood as guardians for the nation and its institutions with products like project policies, director and officers liability, bankers indemnity insurance, film insurance, port package, jewels block insurance, and space insurance. And yet, we remain forward-looking. Our innovative spirit shines through new age products like drone insurance, My Cyber Insurance, My Identity Theft, and Battery Protect for electric vehicles. Our unwavering commitment to being customer-centric drives us to consistently develop products for emerging retail settlements. Embracing innovation and technology in an attempt to right more uninsured businesses. But our greatest achievement lies in seeing you succeed. Our team works tirelessly to provide exceptional service, ensuring your peace of mind so you can focus on what truly matters. We are proud to be the first PSU insurance to be listed near being a Government of India undertaking. In moments of crisis, we stand united with the nation. During COVID-19, we were privileged to be the sole insurers for the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, offering rupees 50 lakh in personal accident insurance to 22 lakh 12,000 brave healthcare workers. We are proud to support those who put their lives on the line to protect India. When floods devastated our land, we rose to the occasion, providing 24/7 support and settling claims on the ground. We stood by our customers, helping them rebuild their lives with compassion and care. We have embraced technology to enhance accessibility with innovations like WhatsApp chatbot and AI-supported claim automation, ensuring we are always within reach. Our commitment stands far beyond insurance. We actively invest in social responsibility, empowering communities through education, healthcare, and sustainable development initiatives. Because a thriving India is a strong India. We are honored to be recognized as a domestic systemically important insurer for 3 consecutive years, highlighting our dedication to the nation's economic resilience. As we celebrate the 106th Foundation Day of New India Assurance, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our visionary leaders and cherished customers. Your trust, resilience, and loyalty have been our guiding light. Thank you for allowing us the privilege to serve you. We are because you are.
जी हाँ साथियों, हमने देखा एक बेमिसाल यात्रा का सफरनामा। हमने देखा वो यात्रा जो 1919 से शुरू होकर के आज 2024 के मुकाम पे खड़ी है। हमने जाना कि वो जो स्टेटमेंट है, वो जो कोटेशन है, एज समबडी हैज राइटली सेड, द सन नेवर सेट्स ऑन न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड। जी हाँ, द प्रेजेंस in India with 1755 offices and across the globe we have 25 countries where we have reached। ये यात्रा अपने आप में बेमिसाल यात्रा है और आपकी जोरदार तालियों के साथ इस यात्रा को मुकाम तक पहुंचाते हुए, जी हाँ साथियों, हम आज के इस कार्यक्रम को आगे लेके चल रहे हैं। अब हम कार्यक्रम के अगले पड़ाव में गुजारिश करेंगे हमारे आज के सम्मानित अतिथियों से। यस, आई एम गोइंग टू रिक्वेस्ट the guest of honor of today's function, Madam हम अपने अतिथियों का हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं। मंच पर आपका अभिवादन, अभिनंदन। और फिर भारतीय सांस्कृतिक परंपरा हमें सिखाती है साथियों कि हमारे लिए अतिथि देवता तुल्य होता है। जी हां, हमारे जो गेस्ट हैं, हमारी परंपरा उन्हें देवता तुल्य मानती है और अपने देवताओं का स्वागत और अभिनंदन, अभिवादन हम फूलों के गुलदस्ते से करते हैं। आइए साथियों, इसी परंपरा का निर्वहन करते हुए हम अपने आज के सम्मानित अतिथि का स्वागत करें पुष्पगुच्छ से। मैं अनुरोध करूंगा मैडम गिरिजा सुब्रमण्यन जी, the chairman and managing director, the New India Assurance Company Limited, to please present a floral bouquet to Madam दीप्ति गौर मुखर्जी जी। मैडम, आपका स्वागत है, अभिनंदन। और साथ ही हमारे बीच में जितने भी गणमान्य जन हैं, the dignitaries present among us, we would like to honor you, we would like to welcome you also, sirs and madams. I would request Madam Smita Srivastav ji, the executive director of NIA, to kindly do the honors of presenting a floral bouquet to all the dignitaries. I would request Independent Director, Madam Akini Devi ji, to please join us, requesting Madam Smita Srivastav ji, the Executive Director, to please present a floral bouquet to our Independent Director, Madam Akini Devi ji। हम इस शुभ कार्य को मंच के ठीक नीचे सभा के समक्ष करेंगे। बहुत शुक्रिया मैडम, आपका स्वागत है, अभिनंदन है। Requesting Mr. R.K. Das ji, the Independent Director, to please come ahead. We would like to honor you also, sir. हम आपका सम्मान करना चाहते हैं, अभिनंदन करना चाहते हैं, स्वागत करना चाहते हैं। Requesting our ex-chairman and managing director, Shri Kanwar ji, to please come ahead. मैडम स्मिता श्रीवास्तव जी के कर कमलों से पुष्पगुच्छ स्वीकार कीजिएगा महोदय। और तालियों की गूंज स्वागत के सिलसिले को और बढ़ाएगी। इसी के साथ हम गुजारिश करने जा रहे हैं मिस्टर रामास्वामी, चेयरमैन एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ GIC, रिक्वेस्टिंग मिस्टर रामास्वामी जी टू प्लीज कम अहेड। रिक्वेस्टिंग मिस्टर भूपेश राहुल जी, द चेयरमैन एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ UIC। सर कृपया आगे आइएगा। जी, भूपेश राहुल जी हमारे बीच में इस समय उपलब्ध नहीं है। हम गुजारिश कर रहे हैं श्री जगन्नाथ M जी से, द मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ LIC। सर, हम आपका स्वागत अभिनंदन करना चाहते हैं फूलों के गुलदस्ते से। जी, बहुत बहुत आभार महोदया। स्वागत का ये सिलसिला यहाँ समाप्त नहीं होता है, क्योंकि स्वागत आप सबका है। स्वागत प्रथम पंक्ति से लेकर के अंतिम पंक्ति पर विराजमान समस्त देवियों और सज्जनों का है। न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड के हम 106 स्थापना दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर यहाँ उपस्थित हैं। आप सबका स्वागत अभिनंदन करता हुआ मैं इस कार्यक्रम को आगे लेके चल रहा हूँ साथियों। और कार्यक्रम की अगली कड़ी में हम गुजारिश करेंगे हमारे न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड की चेयरमैन एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर मैडम गिरिजा सुब्रमण्यन जी से कि वह कृपया मंच पर आएँ और सभा का संबोधन करें। रिक्वेस्टिंग Madam Girija Subramanian ji to please come and address the gathering.
Good evening, Madam Deepthi Gaur Mukherjee, Chief Executive Officer, National Health Authority, respected ex-CMDs of New India, CMDs of other PSUs here, including GIC RE, MDs ED of LIC, distinguished guests, and my dear New Indians. Namaskar. I am extremely proud to have the privilege of addressing you on this very special day to celebrate the 106th Foundation Day of this great institution, the New India Assurance Company Limited. I am grateful to have the opportunity to lead this amazing organization built over more than a century by sterling leaders and a dedicated workforce to make it into the strong and resilient financial entity it is today. Today, we not only commemorate the rich history and legacy of our organization, but also affirm and reaffirm our commitment to partnering with our clients for the long term, delivering the best services and security that have become synonymous with the New India name. Founded in 1919, New India Assurance has grown from humble beginnings to become a beacon of trust and reliability in the insurance industry. Today, with 1755 offices pan-India and 25 offices globally, New India has grown to be a large, geographically well-spread Indian MNC. Our journey over the past century has been marked by a steadfast dedication to excellence, financial strength, and an unwavering commitment to our clients. We owe our success to the vision and leadership of our predecessors, and it is their legacy that continues to inspire and guide us today. Today, I would like to convey my deepest gratitude and appreciation to all our ex-CMDs for their amazing stewardship and direction through the years. During FY 23-24, we have completed a premium of rupees 41,996 crores, profit after tax at rupees 1,129 crores, net worth of the company at rupees 44,700 crores, and the solvency at 1.81 times the required margin. These strong financials are a testament to the prudent risk management practices and robust governance framework of the company. We have consistently demonstrated our ability to withstand economic challenges and market fluctuations, ensuring that our clients' interests are always safeguarded. Our strong balance sheet, extensive network, and comprehensive product offerings enable us to provide unparalleled protection and peace of mind to our clients. It is therefore not surprising that our regulator has designated New India as domestic systematically important insurer. Our continued leadership in the non-life insurance space in the country since inception is a testament to our commitment to keep our customers at the focal point of our operations. We will continue to grow our presence in all segments, whether it is retail space or the corporate business, across all lines, and endeavor to deliver best solutions to our valued customers. It is part of this continuing endeavor that we are launching some variants to our existing products and also introducing a new product on this landmark day to provide increased choice to our customers and channel partners. As we look into the future, our commitment to our clients remains unwavering. At New India, we believe in building long-term partnerships based on trust, transparency, and mutual respect. Our clients are at the heart of everything we do, and we are dedicated to being their trusted advisor and partner in their journey towards financial security. Whether it is providing comprehensive coverage, efficient claims management, or proactive risk mitigation, our goal is to be there for our clients every step of the way. We understand that in today's fast-paced world, the needs and expectations of our clients are constantly evolving. To meet these demands, we are constantly innovating and adapting our services to provide tailored solutions that address the unique requirements of each client. Our focus is not just on meeting expectations, but exceeding them, ensuring that our clients receive the highest level of service and support. It is for this reason that New India partners with the best in the distribution and service delivery space across verticals. I take this opportunity to thank all our stakeholders in the distribution network, our agency force, our intermediaries, bank assurance partners, our surveyors, legal advisors, and our TPAs for partnering with us in this journey. As we celebrate our 106th Foundation Day, we also take this opportunity to express our heartfelt gratitude to our valued clients. Your trust, support, and patronage have been instrumental in shaping New India into the organization it is today. We are proud of our heritage and we are excited about the future as we continue to build our legacy and uphold the values that have defined us over a century. Thank you all for being here and being a part of the New India family. Together, we will continue to achieve new milestones, deliver exceptional value, and uphold the highest standards of service and security. Thank you all for sparing your precious time and being present here to celebrate this day. It means a lot to New India. We are glad to announce that our Honorable Secretary of DFS, Mr. Vivek Joshi, has joined online, and we welcome you, sir. We welcome you, sir, and we look forward to your address after this. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your time, and have a lovely evening.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, this was our chairman and managing director of न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड, मैडम गिरिजा सुब्रमण्यम जी। एक बार जोरदार तालियां मैडम गिरिजा के लिए। बहुत ही ज्ञानवर्धक, बहुत ही प्रेरणादायक शब्दों के लिए आपका आभार महोदया। और जैसा कि आपको सूचित किया गया कि आज के कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि आदरणीय डॉक्टर विवेक जोशी जी, सेक्रेटरी डीएफएस, हमारे बीच में शामिल हो चुके हैं ऑनलाइन माध्यम से। सर, हम आपका हार्दिक स्वागत, अभिनंदन करते हैं और आपका मार्गदर्शन इस कार्यक्रम की गरिमा को और बढ़ाता है। आपकी उपस्थिति को नमन करते हुए, आपसे अनुमति लेते हुए हम कार्यक्रम को आगे लेके चल रहे हैं साथियों। और कार्यक्रम के अगले पड़ाव में हमारे बीच में, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, हमारी सम्मानित अतिथि महोदया हैं। हम ये जानते हैं कि हेल्थ इज़ वेल्थ। हम ये जानते हैं कि तुलसीदास जी ने लिखा है, पहला सुख निरोगी काया। हम ये जानते हैं कि हमारा भारत स्वस्थ भारत होना चाहता है और आज ये जो स्वास्थ्य की परंपरा है हमारे लिए सबसे महत्वपूर्ण परंपरा है। इस परंपरा को निभाते हुए स्वास्थ्य जब इतना बड़ा हो जाता है हमारे लिए, तो हमारे बीच में जो सम्मानित अतिथि हैं, मैडम दीप्ति गौर मुखर्जी, चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर ऑफ नेशनल हेल्थ अथॉरिटी, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, उनका जो सम्मान है बढ़ जाता है। जी हाँ साथियों, बिफोर वी इन्वाइट हर फॉर द एड्रेस, आई वुड लाइक टू ब्रीफ about ma'am to all of you. Madam Dipti Gaur Mukherjee is the Chief Executive Officer of National Health Authority, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, that implements the flagship health schemes of Government of India like Ayushman Bharat, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, and Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission. She was posted at NHA on 10th of December 2023. Madam Mukherjee is a member of Indian Administrative Services IAS 1993 MP cadre. She was appointed as the Additional Secretary at Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India in November 2023. She has been impaneled in the rank of Secretary to Government of India. Prior to this, Madam Mukherjee has served in various capacities at the state level. Before assuming her role at the center, she was posted as the Principal Secretary, Personal and General Administration, Bhopal, and Principal Secretary, Department of School Education, Government of Madhya Pradesh. She has also worked in the urban housing and poverty alleviation sector and the Department of Public Enterprises at the Government of India. Madam Mukherjee holds an MSc from the London School of Economics and Political Science in Public Management and Governance, and a master's degree in Economics from Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Madam Dipti Gaur Mukherjee ji. Madam, we request you to please address the gathering.
Respected Secretary, Department of Financial Services, who's present online. Mrs. Girija, CMD of New India Assurance Company. Respected CMDs of our leading insurance companies, ex-CMDs. It gives me the distinguished guests who are here, the enthusiastic members of the New India Assurance team, ladies and gentlemen. Let me start by thanking you for inviting me to be a part of your Foundation Day celebrations. I feel very deeply honored to be here today to share my thoughts with you because we're all partners in our collaborative endeavor of achieving universal health coverage. You know, occasions such as these are, of course, opportunities for us to celebrate our achievements and look what this organization has achieved in the last so many years. And the video which you just presented here, where I think two things really stand out for me. One is in terms of putting people first. I think that was something which stood out for me, and of course, innovation. And both these things are very, very critical when we look at healthcare. So as CEO of National Health Authority, my endeavor today would be to just share my thoughts on what it means for us to work together in this vision which we have of achieving universal health coverage. Just before I begin, I would also like to congratulate you for being at the forefront of our insurance landscape, for having done tremendously good work, and for your extensive network. I did not know that you had presence abroad also. It's only when I studied a little bit about the company that I came to know about it. However, like I said, when you said putting people's first, I think your role extends beyond just the mere underwriting of risk. It actually hinges upon a commitment to societal well-being by safeguarding livelihoods, promoting economic growth, and contributing to the overall resilience of our economy. You have a very diverse portfolio of insurance products, and my officer who was with me from your company very proudly stated that, you know, we insure everything from a nail to space. So he was very proud of the fact, and I'm very happy that you are the market leader in health insurance. You are our partners in our flagship scheme, which we do implement. So I'm very happy to be here. We all know that government actually is, you're also part a public sector undertaking, and we're an attached office of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So as government, when we look at social welfare, when we look at financial protection, when we look at financial assistance, we look at protection of livelihoods and assets across different segments of the population, our focus primarily is on the most vulnerable, the poorest of the poor, who actually have nothing to fall back on. So while we have different schemes from different ministries, and I have had the opportunity of looking at both the urban infrastructure sector, the social sector in terms of education, and now I have got the opportunity to look at health, I have seen the transformative impact of our government programs. Today, I would like to talk about two important schemes of which National Health Authority is charged with. One is the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, and the other is a scheme which a mission maybe very few of you would probably be knowing about it, which is the Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission. So to begin with, let's start with ABPMJY. It's a short form, it's a very long scheme. It was launched, as most of you must be knowing, by the Honorable Prime Minister in 2018 with the aim of moving towards universal health coverage. We have an Ayushman umbrella for the health sector, where we have two important pillars in 2018 when it was launched. One looked at universalizing primary health care. So when we have these small sub-centers, which are called Ayushman Arogya Mandirs now, in rural and urban areas, which give preventive and primary care. The other arm of health coverage is the Ayushman Jan Arogya Yojana, which is what NHA handles, where we look at providing free secondary and tertiary care to the bottom 40% of India's population. So the target is to cover around 12 crore families, which amounts to almost about 55 crore beneficiaries across the entire country. So between the Ayushman, the National Health Mission and the Ayushman Arogya Mandir and the PMJY, we look at the entire health coverage, so to say. What is the scheme about? So like I said, that we cover the bottom 40%. We provide free, cashless, paperless health coverage, health care to people in across 30,000 hospitals, out of which almost 12,900 hospitals are private hospitals, and the rest are government hospitals. We have the 33 states who are implementing this in partnership with the central government, and 3 states are not yet implementing it. They have their own schemes. So in these 33 states, as of now, we have covered almost 35 crore cards we have got. Ayushman cards have been issued. And the coverage is almost 19 crore families, which you may be wondering why 19 is more than 12, which is the original target. It's because states have also added their own state-specific schemes and converged with this and expanded the health coverage. As of today, we have provided more than 7.3 crore hospital admissions, amounting to almost 1 lakh crore. That is the quantum of expenditure which has happened on giving secondary and tertiary care to the poorest of the poor. We have this concept of called bundled packages, where we provide we cost packages, including both a pre-hospitalization phase, and then a follow-up one. And we cover 27 specialities. So all the important diseases, whether it is cancer, whether it is kidney, whether it is heart, orthopedic treatments. We've also covered bone marrow transplants. So we are covering the most severe diseases which are life-threatening. The idea is to prevent the poor from falling back into the poverty trap, because these, like most of you know, that these are catastrophic health expenditures. Even for middle-class people, incurring these kind of expenditures really puts us under a lot of strain. So you can imagine what happens to a family which is earning less than 10,000 rupees or even 6,000 to 7,000 rupees. As of now, about 50 to 55,000 hospital admissions happen every day. I am new to the sector in the sense I haven't seen this part of health. We were looking at, when we were at the state level, our focus in the field was primarily on the health, on the primary aspect. But as a patient at various moments in time, and having relatives or even elder parents who go through a very traumatic period when they have an IPD situation, I have found that having this security that I'm covered up to 5 lakh rupees per family, irrespective of my conditions, irrespective of the number of people I have in my family, gives so much of emotional support and security, as well as provides health security to the poorest of the poor. And I think this is very important. I am thankful that the company has been at the forefront of helping us in implementing PMJY. One of the biggest states who's implementing PMJY is Rajasthan, where the health coverage is almost 75 to 80%, and New India Assurance is implementing the scheme there. Besides we have other insurance companies across 9 more states, and almost 30 crore lives under the PMJY are being catered to by various insurance companies. So initially, when the scheme started, we learned a lot from you, because you had your established practices, you had ways you would process the claims, anti-fraud mechanisms. I am told, and I have access to a lot of documents where we relied a lot on the insurance sector to help us put the basic structure in place for implementation of the scheme. And over these last 5 to 6 years, I think we've all grown together and learned a lot of things together. And now, when we are at this particular cusp where we are looking at further refinement in PMJY, when we're looking at issues of having better health packages, more costing efficiencies, better anti-fraud mechanisms, how to have seamless processes for pre-authorization, for claims and paperless, auto-adjudication, anti-fraud mechanisms. There's a lot that we can do collaboratively together. So I would like to take this opportunity to request you that I know we have been engaging a lot in the past, but I think now we need to engage much more closely, because the awareness about health-seeking behavior, or I would say the health-seeking behavior, has really improved, because people know that they have Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana to fall back on. We have new technologies coming in. So if we work together, I'm sure we can drive a lot of efficiencies and innovations in the healthcare sector. So I hope, and I would like all of you to help NHA, and along with your other partners who are in this insurance sector, in the insurance landscape, let's work together collaboratively. Now let's come to the other part of what NHA does, and which is the Ayushman Bharat Digital Health Mission. I am pretty sure that not more than 20 to 30% of the people who are here would be knowing about it. But I think it's very important. And combined with PMJY, it has the potential to actually make India leapfrog and move far, far ahead in this entire endeavor of achieving this SDG of universal health coverage. So what is this scheme? This was, what is this mission rather? It was launched in September 2021. And as all of you know, we have a very, very rich history and legacy of digital public infrastructure, which we have used to create the basic digital pathways to have an integrated digital health ecosystem, putting the citizen or putting the patient at the center. The core components of this, the building blocks, so to say, of this mission are: one, citizen, for whom we create an Aadhaar identity, which is called the Ayushman Bharat Health Account, which is based on Aadhaar. You all know that Aadhaar we cannot share Aadhaar across programs, across entities. However, the Aadhaar being based on the Aadhaar is not like that. So this becomes a unique, identifiable digital identity for every individual in the entire country. As of now, 65 crore people have made their Aadhaar accounts. The second part is the digital registries which we are creating. One is the health professional registry, where we are establishing a credible list of trusted entities, which are basically the health professionals, based on verification by their respective councils and giving them a digital identity. And on the other side, we have the health facilities, which are the hospitals. Those also are digitally verified. And so the three public registries are: one, the citizens, which is the Aadhaar; the second is the HPR, which is the health professional registry; and the third is the health facility registry, which is that for the hospitals. What are these three registries going to do? They're basically going to be working on through a federated digital architecture. We are creating the pathways to ensure interoperability for health data exchange based on a consent mechanism, for availing health services through a unified health interface, which is very, very similar to what you are seeing in the payments ecosystem, which is the unified payments interface. And finally, what is very relevant for today, which is the health claims processing. So the National Health Claims Exchange. So these are the three gateways. So we are building the infrastructure which allows interoperability for all these three things. Most important, it's a federated architecture. Two, citizen is at the center of it. It's all consent-based, and the DPDP Act. So hence, data privacy and security are of utmost importance. These are the building principles around which the ABDM is made. What is in it for the citizen? How does it help us? So if you have your Aadhaar identity, all your health records are linked to it, and you have these health records in your private health record app. We have two apps, government apps as of now. One is the Aadhaar app, and the other is the Arogya Setu, which we are now going to repurpose to make it a very, very advanced version of what a PHR app can deliver, We also have private sector players in this scape. In fact, ABDM is actually encouraging the private sector to come up and develop more and more health services which can be delivered to the public at large. So if you have an Aabha identity and you have a PHR app, all your records are available on your phone. And you can share those records with whichever hospital wants it or whichever doctor wants it based on your consent. Since this entire consent framework is built on the DEPA framework, so it is granular, it is revocable, and it is auditable, it is verifiable. It's meant for a specific purpose. For the want of time, I will not go too much into detail of it, but it's a very important part of our entire our entire design. The other part is the UHI, which it's like if all of you are working on some app or the other, where it's Paytm or it's Google or it's SBI, YONO, and the UPI system has allowed you to pay from one app to the other, from one payment system to the other. And the similar thing is going to happen when the UHI comes fully into place. It's already begun. So what happens is, suppose if I go to the UHI, and it's very similar to what ONDC is also doing. And if I go to say I come to Mumbai and I fall ill and I want to know which is the closest blood bank to where I'm staying. So when I put my query on the interface, whichever blood bank is on any kind of provider app, their information comes on this interface, and I'm able to access, I'm able to book, I'm able to actually go there. So there's the discoverability and the scope of finding services most suited to you. Teleconsultation, all this has begun. We are getting more and more new use cases as we are going forward. When you have an Aabha app, when you have an Aabha identity, it's also helping you access services in existing hospitals. So the facilities of scan and share, you know how people, even in an auto wala or a rickshaw wala or a sabji wala, you go to them and you don't have change. They say, "Aap Paytm kar dijiye, aap scan and pay kar dijiye." A similar facility for scan and share, for making your appointments, for booking your appointments, for paying your pharmacy bills, for paying your diagnostic bills, is what is being developed as part of the entire ABDM. And finally, when we come to what you're doing, this is what the National Health Claims Exchange aims to serve. So what is the National Health Claims Exchange? It is basically a gateway where all the health providers and the payers, which is all the insurance companies, are able to process. We are providing the gateway through which the health providers can send their claims, and they go to the payers, which is you, and then they get their payment directly. We don't do the settlement in terms of the money, but we are the pathway through which these claims are processed. And how does it actually help the system? It's not something which you are not aware of, because for the last 1.5, 2 years almost, with the help and the collaboration of IRDAI, the GIC, and the insurance industry, a lot of work has happened with you, where we have seen all the standard processing forms, where we have come down to standardizing the claim processing forms, the bills, the processes. We've automated them and come to one common form and a way of process, for want of a better word, the digital standards and protocols which have to be done have been done collaboratively and now put in place for the National Health Claims Exchange. Under the PMJY, we're already utilizing the NHCX in 18 states. And we are ready with going to the private sector, to the private insurance landscape. As of now, almost 99% of the insurance companies and the ISA and TPAs have onboarded, and some products have come online. A lot of hospitals we have been interacting with. But I would like to urge all of you here, whether it is the insurance companies, whether it's the big clients, whether group insurance clients, or whether we have the retail clients and the ISA TPAs, to kindly start onboarding your products on the NHCX and see the utility what NHCX will bring to you. Once we're able to go forward in this to a larger extent, our dashboards which we are developing for the regulator, for DFS, for us, for you, they will really help you in doing your businesses better, they will streamline processes, they will cut the costs down, which will actually translate into lower premiums. You will have access to people's health data with their consent, which will help you prepare better policies, more framed to their conditions, and the innovations will come forward. And when we all talk about innovations in healthcare, as I was coming, a lot of people within your company also asking, what are we doing about the missing middle? What is the government doing about it? We all understand the implications, the financial implications of having health coverage, government-sponsored health coverage, right? So I think the health insurance sector also has to now come up and devise very innovative products aimed at this missing middle. Using PMJY, where we have 6 years of experience of packages, of utilization of packages, of other experiences, how we can use that experience and come up with more innovative products for the middle, the missing middle, is what the challenge lies before us. I would like to end by requesting all of you that kindly use the opportunity given under both PMJY as well as ABDM to work together with NHA and government so that we can actually achieve this vision of universal health coverage. We can bridge the gap for the missing middle population. We can actually leverage our respective strengths in regulation, in financial protection, in innovation, in healthcare delivery, and we create an efficient ecosystem which can harness the power of technology, data, and partnerships. Why do we all do this? Because like you said, putting people first. So we put people first, and we build a healthier and a more prosperous India for the generations to come. Thank you so much for your time and for your attention. Jai Hind.
बहुत बहुत आभार महोदया। साथियों, हम सुन रहे थे मैडम दीप्ति गौर मुखर्जी जी को, द चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर ऑफ NHA फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, और बहुत ही प्रेरणादायक शब्दों से मैडम ने हमारा ज्ञानवर्धन किया। आपने महोदया हमें बताया कि आयुष्मान भारत की जो योजना है वो आज बच्चा बच्चा उस योजना से वाकिफ़ है। हमने ये जाना कि 30,000 से ज़्यादा अस्पताल इस योजना से जुड़े हुए हैं। हमने ये भी जाना कि पेपरलेस और कैशलेस फैसिलिटीज़ की जो सुविधा है वो सारे देश तक मुहैया कराई गई है। इसके अलावा महोदया ने हमें जानकारी दी आरोग्य सेतु ऐप, आभा ऐप और UHI ऐप। जी हाँ, हम चाहते हैं कि हमारा जो भारत है वो स्वस्थ भारत हो, मुस्कुराता हुआ भारत हो, हंसता हुआ हिंदुस्तान हो, और इसके लिए तस्वीर बदलने की ज़रूरत है। और NHA और न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस मिलकर यदि इस तस्वीर के लिए काम करते हैं तो ये योजना, ये सपना ज़रूर साकार होगा। और ये हमें बताते हुए खुशी हो रही है कि न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस में ऐसी बहुत सी योजनाएं हैं जो स्वास्थ्य के लिए काम कर रही हैं। आइए साथियों, एक बार जोरदार तालियों से आभार व्यक्त करें महोदया दीप्ति मुखर्जी का। और कार्यक्रम को आगे ले चलने से पूर्व साथियों, आपको सूचित करना चाहता हूं कि वी हैव अमंग अस श्री भूपेश राहुल जी, द चेयरमैन एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ UIC। हमारे बीच में वो पधार चुके हैं। सर, हम आपका अभिनंदन और स्वागत करना चाहते हैं। फूलों के गुलदस्ते से मैं चाहता हूं कि मैडम स्मिता जी उनका अभिनंदन करें। श्री भूपेश जी से हमारी गुजारिश है कि कृपया आगे आइएगा सर, मंच के करीब। और मैडम स्मिता श्रीवास्तव जी से हम अनुरोध कर रहे हैं टू काइंडली प्रेजेंट अ फ्लोरल बुके टू श्री भूपेश जी। न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस के 106th फाउंडेशन डे में आपका स्वागत, अभिनंदन सर। साथियों, कार्यक्रम के अगले पड़ाव में अब हम उस शख्सियत से सुनने जा रहे हैं जो आज के कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि हैं। जी हां, द चीफ गेस्ट ऑफ टुडेज फंक्शन, परमादरणीय डॉक्टर विवेक जोशी जी, द सेक्रेटरी of Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Finance, Government of India. And before we invite him for a talk, I would like to give you the brief of his. Dr. Joshi holds a PhD in International Economics from the Graduate Institute, Geneva in Switzerland. Prior to his current position, Dr. Joshi has held crucial posts like Registrar General of India under MHA and Joint Secretary in the Ministry of Finance. Presently, as the Secretary of DFS, Dr. Joshi deals with policies and legislations related to banking sector, insurance sector, other financial institutions, and pension reforms. Additionally, he is also serving as a member on the boards of RBI and SBI. देवियों सज्जनों, परम आदरणीय डॉक्टर विवेक जोशी जी का हम जोरदार तालियों से इस्तकबाल और अभिनंदन करते हुए उनसे अनुरोध करते हैं कि कृपया महोदय सभा का संबोधन करें।
Thank you and a very good evening. At the outset, I would like to thank Srimati Girija Subramanian ji, CMD, New India Assurance Company, for inviting me to this Foundation Day celebrations. Foundation Day celebrations. Some problem. क्या हो गया? I am also grateful to Srimati Dipti Gaur ji, CEO National Health Authority, for joining on the Foundation Day of New India Assurance. लोग सुन पा रहे हैं? And I also acknowledge the presence of Shri Jagannath MC, Shri B. Rahul, CMD United India, Shri Ramaswamy ji, CMD GIC. सुनाई पड़ रहे हो नहीं? I congratulate all of you who are present on this momentous occasion on the 106th Foundation Day of the company. I would have much liked to be physically present on this august occasion, but I am unable to attend due to the ongoing parliament session here in New Delhi. Nonetheless, I am always there with all of you in spirit and joining you through the digital medium to convey my best wishes for a glorious future and many more such milestones for the new India in future to come. Dear friends, New India Assurance has been a market leader of the Indian general insurance industry for a long time, and it is expected to maintain its #1 position for all times to come. With a net worth of more than rupees 21,000 crore, gross premium of around 42,000 crore, asset under management of more than 60,000 crore, investment income of more than 9,200 crore, and profit of more than rupees 1,100 crore, this company is ahead of the nearest competitors and still enjoys a market share of 12.8% as on March 2024. As we know, this journey of India has seen substantial changes in the socio-economic as well as the regulatory environment, leading to New India gathering experience of surviving and thriving in various types of situations. It is this experience which needs to be leveraged by the company for holding itself in a good state and in the coming fast-changing and dynamic insurance market. As we know that regulators have taken many new steps and made new regulations, it is important for the company to keep pace with those regulations and to think ahead of time in terms of use of technology and IT in discharging its functions. Further, as a listed company and as a domestically, systematically important insurer, New India has an added responsibility of being financially resilient and generating value for all its stakeholders. It needs to uphold these virtues while taking actions for playing its part in contribution to national building. Towards this end, Government of India is with all of you and actively playing its part in promoting ease of doing business and achieving the vision of insurance for all by the year 2047. Several initiatives have been brought to promote financial inclusion and social security across the length and breadth of the nation. And it is imperative that all insurers, public and private, play their role in an active and effective manner for converting dreams into reality and making Viksit Bharat by the end of year 2047. I strongly believe that the need of the hour is to keep focus on the end user, that is the customer, and design these products as per their requirements. Innovations and customization in products design and delivery along with speedy claims settlement to provide financial assistance at the time of need is the need of the hour. This would require monitoring and reforming of the processes, collaboration with stakeholders, and reskilling of workforce to stay in tune with the time and deliver best in class of services. I am sure the collaboration which New India is doing with National Health Authority will make itself more efficient and deliver better services to the customers, especially in the health sector. I am delighted to know that there will also be some key products launches on this happy occasion, including a first time in the country product. This is the way of a market leader like New India, and this also reaffirms company's position of being the insurer of choice. I am also very happy to note that there are many customers and other stakeholders who are present in this August gathering today, which reflects the trust and confidence that these stakeholders repose in New India and the shared goal of ensuring its continued success. On this note, I once again congratulate and compliment all of you on this momentous occasion and wish all of you the best for the time to come. I exhort all of you to work together as a combined force in setting new benchmarks of success and assuring well-being of the people of India for the times to come. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
वो पहला स्थान जिस तरह से हासिल उन्होंने किया हुआ है उसे बरकरार रखे. So we assure you, sir, under your able leadership and under your guidance, the New India Assurance will strive hard to maintain its first position. और सर ने ये कहा है कि देश की तस्वीर बदलनी है, हमें बहुत जल्द भारत को विकसित भारत बनाना है. फ्रॉम द डेवलपिंग नेशन वी नीड टू बी अ डेवलप्ड नेशन. जी हाँ सर, आपके मार्गदर्शन में हम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि देश की तस्वीर बदले और हमारा भारत जल्द ही विकसित भारत के रूप में उभरे. साथियों, एक बार जोरदार तालियों से हम परम आदरणीय डॉक्टर विवेक जोशी जी का आभार कर रहे हैं. और साथ ही हम स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं, हमारे साथ स्क्रीन पर जुड़े हुए थे हमारे जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी महोदय आदरणीय श्री प्रशांत कुमार गोयल जी. सर, हम आपका भी आभार व्यक्त करते हैं. एक बार जोरदार तालियों से आदरणीय श्री गोयल साहब का भी. जी हाँ, और हम स्क्रीन पे एक महोदया हमारी डायरेक्टर न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस मैडम मंदाकिनी बलोधी जी को देख रहे हैं. मैडम, हम आपका भी आभार व्यक्त करते हैं. जी हाँ साथियों, करतल ध्वनियों से हम तीनों ही गणमान्य जन का आभार व्यक्त करते हुए आदरणीय डॉक्टर विवेक जोशी जी ने हमें सूचित किया कि आज हमारे न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस के 106 फाउंडेशन डे सेलिब्रेशन के दौरान हम कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स का भी लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं। जी हाँ साथियों, ये बिल्कुल सही बात है। और आइए अब अगले पड़ाव में आपको वहाँ ले चलते हैं जहाँ पर न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस हैज़ कम अप विद सम न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स। और इस कड़ी में हमारे बीच में सबसे पहला जो प्रोडक्ट है उसके बारे में मैं जानकारी आपको दे दूं। यह है न्यू इंडिया भारत फ्लेक्सी गृह रक्षा पॉलिसी लॉन्ग टर्म। जी हाँ, आपका घर हमारा भरोसा आज, कल और हमेशा। इस प्रोडक्ट की खास बात यह है कि ये आपको लॉन्ग टर्म सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करता है इंडिविजुअल ड्वेलिंग्स पे। 40 ईयर्स के लिए यदि कोई व्यक्ति अपने मकान, अपने इंडिविजुअल ड्वेलिंग का इंश्योरेंस चाहता है तो द न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस हैज़ कम अप विद दिस प्रोडक्ट। और कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी जिनके लिए आज तक केवल 1 वर्ष का, यस इट वाज अवेलेबल ओनली फॉर द 1 ईयर, बट नाउ न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस विद दिस प्रोडक्ट इज प्रोवाइडिंग द सिक्योरिटी फॉर 5 ईयर्स। तो ये लॉन्ग टर्म पॉलिसी का हम स्वागत करना चाहते हैं और इसके बारे में जानकारी लेना चाहते हैं। इस जानकारी के लिए वी हैव अ शॉर्ट AV presentation for all of you, but then before that we would request our guest of honor, Madam Dipti Mukherjee ji, to please inaugurate and launch the event, the product. May I request the event team to please, AV team to please help ma'am, so that madam can.
Connection established.
So, Madam Dipti Mukherjee, CEO, NHA, our guest of honor of today's function, putting her palm and launching our new product. जी हाँ, जोरदार तालियां। And this is the product in front of you, dear ladies and gentlemen.
For years, New India Assurance has been your trusted partner in safeguarding your assets. We understand how important your home is. It's where you raise your family, create memories, and build a future. That's why NIA is proud to announce the launch of our New India Bharat Flexi Griha Raksha long-term policy. This revolutionary policy offers long-term security for your home, ensuring peace of mind for you and your loved ones. We are proud in offering coverage of up to 40 years for individual dwellings and up to 5 years for cooperative housing societies, home welfare associations and dwellings owned by corporates, increased terrorism coverage of up to 20 years. Now, let's talk about how you can customize your coverage for the perfect fit. Flexibility is key and your home is unique, so your insurance should be too. The New India Bharat Flexi Griha Raksha long-term policy allows you to customize your coverage. For example, if you do not need earthquake, storm, typhoon, flood and inundation protection, you can opt out and save on your premium. Choose automatic appreciation of your sum insured for up to 20 years to keep your coverage in line with your home's value. In our long-term policy, you can enjoy reduced premium with our long-term discount options. Get the coverage you deserve without financial issues. We offer optional coverage for terrorism, personal accidents and valuable contents. For more details and to get a quote, please contact our nearest NIA office. With New India Bharat Flexi Griha Raksha long-term policy, your home is truly protected. Today, tomorrow and forever.
जी हाँ साथियों, आपने देखा न्यू इंडिया भारत गृह रक्षा लॉन्ग टर्म पॉलिसी। और इसके बाद हमारा जो अगला प्रोडक्ट है जो इस समय आपके बीच आने के लिए बेताब है, बेसब्र है, वो है स्वास्थ्य के बारे में। और हम देख रहे हैं कि हमारी सम्मानित अतिथि महोदया NHA यानी कि नेशनल हेल्थ अथॉरिटी से आती हैं, तो स्वास्थ्य हमारे लिए भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण विषय है। और आई वुड लाइक टू ब्रीफ अबाउट द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट द हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज आर आवर फ्लैगशिप प्रोडक्ट्स एंड हैव बीन अराउंड फॉर मोर देन अ डिकेड नाउ। जी हाँ, न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस में ये 1 दशक से भी ज़्यादा यानी कि 10 वर्षों से भी अधिक स्वास्थ्य पर बहुत सारा काम हो रहा है, पॉलिसीज़ हैं। लेकिन नाउ वी हैव कम अप with a long-term versions of these policies, and the policies are New India Mediclaim and New India Floater. आइए साथियों, इस हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस की लॉन्ग टर्म वर्जन पॉलिसी का लुत्फ उठाते हैं और इस इवेंट के लॉन्च के लिए एक छोटा सा ऑडियो विजुअल प्रेजेंटेशन देखते हैं। एवी टीम।
We are delighted to unveil a new chapter in our journey, the launch of our long-term health insurance products, New India Mediclaim and New India Floater Mediclaim policy, embracing the spirit of longevity and care. Our new long-term insurance products ensure fixed premiums, protect against inflation and price escalation, and also eliminate hassles of annual renewal and attractive discounts for one-time premium payment. We already have launched our benefit product, New India Kriti Protect policy with a long-term version. Our two products, Yuva Bharat and the best-in-class tertiary care product, Cancer Guard, will be available in the long-term version soon. Join us in taking a leap forward as we celebrate our founder's vision. Let's journey together towards years filled with laughter, good health, and endless possibilities. Here's to honoring the past and embracing the future with a smile. New India Assurance, assurance of the leader.
खुशियों का एक नया संसार रचना है।
न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस में हम हर वो कदम उठाते हैं जिससे आपके सपने सच हो सके।
जी हाँ साथियों, आपके सपनों को सच करता हुआ ये प्रोडक्ट स्वास्थ्य की प्रतिस्पर्धा में बहुत बेहतरीन प्रोडक्ट शामिल होगा, ऐसा हम आशा करते हैं। और आइए आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर हमारे अगले यानी कि तृतीय प्रोडक्ट, द थर्ड प्रोडक्ट वी आर गोइंग टू लॉन्च इज अबाउट द ऑटोमेटिव इंडस्ट्री। जी हाँ, मोटर प्रोडक्ट है ये। आप जानते हैं कि भारत की सड़कों पर महफूज रखने के लिए बहुत सारी जिंदगियां दौड़ती हैं और न्यू इंडिया एश्योरेंस उस में अग्रणी भूमिका निभाते हुए अपने नए प्रोडक्ट के साथ यहाँ उपस्थित है साथियों। एंड द प्रोडक्ट इज रिटर्न टू इनवॉइस द गोल्ड कवर फॉर प्राइवेट कार्स। जी हाँ साथियों, इस प्रोडक्ट में हमारी जो मौजूदा यानी कि जो प्रेजेंट एक्स शोरूम वैल्यू है वो दी जाती है इन केस ऑफ द अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट्स ऑफ कार डैमेज ड्यू टू एन एक्सीडेंट। जी हाँ, अगर किसी दुर्घटना के कारण हमारी कार को या हमारे वाहन को कोई क्षति पहुंचती है तो आज की तारीख में एक्स शोरूम प्राइस को कवर करती हुई हमारी ये पॉलिसी है, हमारा ये प्रोडक्ट है, जिसमें नॉट ओनली द एक्स शोरूम प्राइस इज गिवन बल्कि रजिस्ट्रेशन चार्जेस, रोड टैक्स और इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम भी कवर किया जाता है। आइए साथियों, इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में भी एक छोटा सा ऑडियो विजुअल प्रेजेंटेशन हम देखते हैं। एबी टीम। Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this was return to invoice the gold cover for private cars. और मैं चाहता हूं, मैं आग्रह करना चाहता हूं उपस्थित समस्त देवियों और सज्जनों से कि इन तीनों ही प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियों से हम अभिनंदन करते हैं, इस आशा के साथ कि ये तीनों ही प्रोडक्ट जो आज इस शुभ अवसर पर लॉन्च किए गए हैं ये अपने सफलता के उच्चतम मुकामों को हासिल करेंगे। आइए साथियों, इस प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च के इवेंट के बाद हम कार्यक्रम को आगे लेके चलते हुए कार्यक्रम की अगली कड़ी में प्रवेश करते हैं। और अगली कड़ी में फिर एक बार अतिथियों का सम्मान। जी हाँ साथियों, हमारे लिए अतिथि देवता तुल्य होता है। हम ये जानते हैं कि परम आदरणीय मैडम दीप्ति गौर मुखर्जी, द चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर ऑफ NHA, बहुत ही कीमती समय निकाल करके हमारे बीच यहाँ उपस्थित हुई हैं, पधारी हैं। हम आपकी उपस्थिति को नमन करते हुए आशा करते हैं कि आज की ये स्मृतियाँ आज आप हमारे साथ लेके जाएं और सदा ही आपकी यादों में बसे। यस, वी वुड लाइक टू प्रेजेंट ए टोकन ऑफ लव एंड अफेक्शन टू मैडम दीप्ति, एंड फॉर टू डू द ऑनर्स आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट मैडम Girija Subramanian ji, the chairman and managing director of NIA, to please present a small token of love and affection on behalf of all of us to Madam Dipti Gaur Mukherjee, the chief executive officer of NHA, Government of India. बहुत बहुत आभार महोदया। और साथियों, कार्यक्रम के अगले पड़ाव में हम इस औपचारिक कार्यक्रम के समापन की ओर बढ़ें, उससे पहले मैं आपको सूचित करना चाहता हूं कि हमारे बीच में एक संदेश है। ये संदेश किसी और का नहीं बल्कि हमारी पूर्व CMD महोदया आदरणीय नीरजा कपूर जी का है। मैडम नीरजा कपूर, द एक्स चेयरमैन एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ NIA, who has superannuated on 30th April 2024 after a glorious inning. She has sent a message for all of you. I would like to read her message and then we'll proceed ahead. Within quote, a very good evening to all. On this momentous occasion, the 106th Foundation Day of the New India Assurance Company Limited. It is a day of great significance and pride for all new Indians. As we look back on a remarkable legacy of over a century of service to our nation and its people. New India was incorporated on 23rd July 1919 at Mumbai with a vision to protect and empower the people of India against unforeseen risks and adversities. Since its inception, New India has been an emblem of trust, a beacon of hope, reliability, and resilience in the insurance industry. It has carved out a special space for itself as the largest non-life insurance company and a true multinational with many offices across the globe. It is the tradition of expertise and pride in work handed down from the generation of employees to another that makes the company dynamic, innovative, and willing to take new initiatives. Over the years, the company has grown like a big banyan tree, providing shade and protection to not only to its customers, policyholders, but also more than 20,000 employees, past and present, and their families. It has been my privilege to have worked in this great organization for 38 proud years, from 1986 to 2024, and to have received so much warmth, affection, and cooperation from all. A very fulfilling journey, indeed filled with memories that I shall cherish always. 3 cheers to the foundation that has held us all strong and the dreams that kept us moving forward from one milestone to another. An exceptional organization that has redefined success and continually inspires us. This 106th Foundation Day is a tribute to the unwavering trust and support that our customers, business partners, agents, brokers, and other stakeholders have bestowed upon New India. It is a testament to the dedication and hard work of our employees who have always been the backbone of this organization. I extend my best wishes to every member of the New India family for their commitment and passion, which has built a legacy of trust that stretches beyond generations. I am grateful to Mrs. Girija Subramanian, CMD, and Mrs. Sushma Anupam, GM, for this opportunity to express my thoughts on this occasion. My best wishes to all. May this special day bring happiness to all, and may the flag of New India always fly high with many more successes and achievements. Thank you, Nirja Kapoor, unquote. जी हाँ साथियों, आप जोरदार तालियों से महोदया का अभिनंदन कर सकते हैं, आभार व्यक्त कर सकते हैं। मैडम नीरजा कपूर ने हम सब के लिए संदेश भेजा है। और साथियों, अब ये कार्यक्रम अपने औपचारिक समय को समापन की ओर लेके चलते हुए आग्रह करता है मैडम स्मिता श्रीवास्तव जी से, द एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर ऑफ NIA. मैडम प्लीज कम ऑन द डायस एंड प्लीज प्रेजेंट अ वोट ऑफ थैंक्स. जी मैडम, before you present the vote of thanks, we have an important announcement. Mr. Bhupesh Rahul ji wants to present a floral bouquet to Madam. We would request Shri Bhupesh ji to please come on the dais and do the honors. So Mr. Bhupesh Rahul ji, CMD United India, is presenting a floral bouquet to Madam Girija Subramanian ji, the Chairman and Managing Director of New India Assurance. गुलों की महक और फूलों की खुशबू के साथ श्री भूपेश जी एक स्मृति चिन्ह भी प्रदान करना चाहते हैं. A token of love and affection is being presented by Shri Bhupesh Rahul ji, the CMD of UIC. He is presenting the same to Madam Girija Subramanian, the CMD of New India Assurance Company Limited. बहुत बहुत आभार महोदय. UIC का आभार करते हुए हम आपसे आग्रह करते हैं कृपया अपना आसन ग्रहण करें. Thank you very much, ma'am. Please take your seat. And now it's time to present the vote of thanks. I would request Madam Smita Srivastav ji, the Executive Director of NIA, to kindly present the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Prince Ji. Honorable Dr. Vivek Joshi, Secretary Finance, Government of India. Dr. Prashant Kumar Goyal, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Finance, Government of India. Ms. Mandakini Balodi, Director, DFS, Ministry of Finance, Government of India. Esteemed guest of honor, Ms. Dipti Gaur Mukherjee, CEO, National Health Authority. Respected Ms. Girija Subramanian, CMD. Mr. Titus Francis, Executive Director. Distinguished independent directors, Mr. R.K. Das, Mrs. Akani Devi, Ms. Akani Devi, our venerable ex-CMDs, senior executives from Income Tax Department, CAG, our statutory auditors, revered dignitaries from GI Council, Insurance Institute of India, the admirable CMDs, MDs, and EDs from LIC of India, GIC Re, and United India, treasured leaders of unions and associations, our valuable clients, insurance intermediaries, agents, bank assurance partners, third-party administrators, members of the media, general managers, DGMs, regional and CBO in charges, dear New Indians, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar and good evening. It is indeed a great honor and privilege to be here on stage before such an august galaxy of luminaries, dignifying the grand celebration of the 106th Foundation Day of the New India Assurance Company. Today, I stand here with immense pride and gratitude, commemorating over a century of excellence and unwavering commitment to our customers, stakeholders, employees, and the nation. On this historic occasion, we are honored to have such eminent personalities gracing us with your presence. Our heartfelt gratitude goes out to Dr. Vivek Joshi, Secretary Finance, Government of India, for accepting our invitation and being the chief guest of this momentous event. Your presence, sir, virtual though it was, adds great significance to this occasion, and we extend our heartfelt thanks for your judicious support and encouragement to the insurance sector. Your vision for the financial sector has been a guiding light, and we are grateful for your continued efforts to drive economic growth and expansion. We are delighted to have Ms. Dipti Gaur Mukherjee, CEO, National Health Authority, with us today. Your guidance and support, ma'am, have been instrumental in shaping the mass government health insurance landscape in our country, and we remain deeply indebted for your exemplary initiatives to ensure the growth and stability of the healthcare industry in the country. Our esteemed directors, Mr. R.K. Das and Ms. Akani Devi, are the driving force behind our success. Your invaluable guidance and inestimable advices have steered us towards achieving our company's goals, objectives, and new heights of excellence with superlative levels of corporate governance. We express our deepest gratitude for your continuous backing, which has been instrumental in shaping the success of our company. To our beloved ex-CMDs, Mr. K. Kavar, Mr. Narambunathan, Mrs. Madhulika Bhaskar, Ms. Neerja Kapoor. We are indebted to your visionary leadership that strengthened the foundation of this great institution. Your dedication and hard work have made us what we are today, and we are privileged to have you among us, Neerja ma'am virtually, on this special occasion. You have been the lighthouse on a stormy shore, whose beacon of light has shown the way to all your successors. Most valued statutory auditors, officials from CAG and the Income Tax Department, we are grateful for your gracious presence today. Your professionalism and attention to detail are invaluable, and we truly appreciate the insights and recommendations you provide. Your support and guidance help us to continually improve and better our business operations. We extend our sincere thanks to all the distinguished CMDs, MDs, and EDs from LIC of India, GIC Re, and United India Assurance. Your presence is a reflection of the spirit of cooperation that binds the insurance industry. Together, we strive to create a robust ecosystem that caters to the diverse needs of our customers, ensures their financial security, and improves insurance penetration and density in the country. To our valuable clients, we are beholden to you for your patronage. Your bonding has been the cornerstone of our success, and we remain committed to providing you with innovative and comprehensive insurance solutions to meet your evolving needs. We extend a warm appreciation to the esteemed dignitaries from the General Insurance Council and the Insurance Institute of India. Dear members of the media, your presence helps us to connect with the wider community. Your work enables us to reach a broader audience, foster greater understanding and awareness about our company. Thank you for being here and for all that you do. Our dependable insurance intermediaries, bank assurance partners, agents, third-party administrators, leaders of the union and associations, we express our sincere gratitude for your enduring trust, loyalty, and support. We are also thankful to Ms. Rasika Shekhar and her accompanying musicians for being here with us to enthrall and enchant us with their craft. We will soon hear this much acclaimed flautist, singer, and composer who will fill this hall with some wonderful music on her aerophone miracle, the flute. A special thank to Mr. Arihan Jain and his team from Essence for putting together this stellar evening. And a huge commendation to Mr. Prince Grover, our Master of Ceremonies, for his exceptional hosting. Your energy, professionalism, and seamless coordination has kept the event engaging and flowing smoothly. And as Shakespeare said, last but not the least, I extend our gratefulness to all the awesome new Indians, graceful and amazing Ms. Girja Subramanian, CMD, Mr. Titus Francis, Executive Director, General Managers, DGMs from our corporate office, the dynamic regional and CBO in charges, the enterprising and industrious corporate communications team, and the sprightly and youthful new direct recruits. Your presence here today adds vibrancy, warmth, and sparkle to the evening. As we celebrate 106th Foundation Day, we reiterate our commitment to excellence, integrity, and customer centricity. With your continued support and encouragement, we are confident that New India Assurance Company will continue to grow, thrive, and serve. That's the promise of the leader. Once again, thank you all for gracing us with your presence and time, and for being an integral part of this great and wonderful occasion. Have a wonderful evening and enjoy the New India's hospitality. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, ma'am. We have listened to Madam Smita Srivastava ji, who has conveyed her sincere gratitude to all of us. And we would like to convey our sincere gratitude to Madam Smita ji, Madam Smita Srivastava ji, the Executive Director of NIA. एक बार जोरदार तालियों से अभिनंदन करते हुए हम